On the occasion of Independence Day, every year we pay respect and pay tribute to our past heroes who sacrificed their life for our freedom. This is my message to the entire nation to show the gratitude and respect towards all the Corona warriors like doctors, nurses, and police force who are trying their level best to free us from the clutches of Corona. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
On this 74th Independence Day, I want everyone to remember that day when our country attained independence. Corona has put everyone in a difficult scenario. On this 74th Independence Day, I want everyone to remember that day when our country became independent. The same enthusiasm we had then is needed now to defeat this virus. Corona has put everyone in a difficult scenario. On this Independence Day, we can prove that we all are one and we can beat any virus together. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
આઝાદી પછી આ 2020માં કોરોના વાયરસ વિશ્વમાં મહામારી ચાલી રહી છે. તેથી વિશ્વના દરેક યોદ્ધાઓ અને ડૉક્ટર, નર્સ અને પોલીસ સ્ટાફ અને અન્ય સંસ્થાઓ રાત દિવસ તનતોડ મહેનત કરી આ નાબૂદ કરવા મહેનત કરે છે. તેથી તેમની તંદુરસ્ત રહે એ પ્રભુને પ્રાર્થના કરું છું. અને આ કોરોના વાયરસ જલ્દી નાબૂદ થાય એ પણ હું પ્રભુને પ્રાર્થના કરું છું. ઘરે રહો, સુરક્ષિત રહો.
Well, I think Corona showed the importance of freedom to even to those generations which don't know that, right? For India, for other countries. And it's Corona which has brought the importance of personal hygiene. That is, no before was this importance of personal hygiene and health. So let's pray that next year, not only we at Hebron, but overall India celebrate the 75th Independence Day with bang Indian style. Happy Independence Day.
On this 74th Independence Day, I salute all those people whose contribution is as a coronavirus warriors, doctors, nurses, policemen and sweepers. Happy Independence Day. Stay safe, stay home.
On this 74th Independence Day, I would like to tell you about humanism. Humanism is the philosophy that you should be a good guest at the dinner table of your life. So again, on 74th Independence Day, stay safe, stay happy and happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Being Indian, we feel pride to celebrate the 74th Independence Day on 15th August. This year, it would be different celebration due to current pandemic situation. Freedom from COVID-19 as a theme on this Independence Day celebration. I would like to give a big applause to our Corona warriors, that is doctors, nurses, paramedical staff, even policemen. They all worked tirelessly and they made immense effort to save everyone's life. Yes, this is a crucial time for all of us to work with unity, irrespective of caste, religion, and profession. I will say that being a teacher, I can still reach to my students. I can still impart them knowledge by using technology. Yes, for this purpose, we all of us, we have to follow the government guidelines and take all the necessary preventive measures. That is, use sanitizers, wearing masks, avoid large gathering, and yes, maintaining social distancing. So everyone, I wish Happy Independence Day.
Today is a great day for all of us. Live happily with a positive mentality. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Current situation is dire, but the ability to make light of awful situation is an historic marker because nothing is more precious than independence and safety. Happy Independence Day to all and stay home to stay safe.
Hello everyone. Due to this pandemic situations, this year we celebrate the Independence Day by giving the tribute to the Corona warriors, followed by the social distancing and wearing the mask and proper sanitization. Hence, I feel that every citizen, responsibility of every citizens that make and rise the country strong, and united we stand, divided we fall. So let it be one.
On this beautiful occasion of our 74th Independence Day of our beloved nation, I would like to say that our true freedom lies in our happy, healthy body, mind and soul, and that can be possible only if every individual of our nation works with an almost sacrificial love for one another and finds freedom in devotion, determination and discipline to make a great nation together.
On this 74th Independence Day, I, as a humanist Hebronian, would like to say change is never easy and it often creates discord. But when people come together for the good of humanity and the earth, we can accomplish great things. Stay home, stay safe, spread humanity.
On this great occasion of Independence Day, we Hebronians salute freedom fighters, martyrs, and also Corona warriors who served the nation.
The first resolution was brought by going out, and the second brought by stay at home. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Independence Day.
आन देश की, शान देश की हम संतान हैं। 3 रंगों से रंगा तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। आज के इस राष्ट्रीय पर्व 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की आप सभी को हमारी ओर से हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज के इस नाजुक मोड़ पर जहां कोरोना महामारी की वजह से सब मुश्किल का सामना कर रहे हैं, उस समय हम सभी को बहुत ही संयम से काम लेने की ज़रूरत है। मैं तहे दिल से उन योद्धाओं का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा जो कोरोना योद्धा हैं, जिन्होंने रात दिन खड़े पैर रहकर देश की सेवा की और देश प्रेम का एक अनोखा उदाहरण हमारे लिए प्रस्तुत किया। हम सभी को एक साथ मिलकर उनकी मदद में रहकर एक साथ मिलकर देश को मजबूत और सशक्त बनाने की ज़रूरत है। इसी आशा के साथ मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
आप सभी को 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। आज फिर से वह दिन आया है जिसके लिए न जाने कितने स्वतंत्रता के मतवालों ने अपना लहू बहाया है। आज की वर्तमान स्थिति में भी छिड़ गया है युद्ध कोरोना। होटल, विद्यालय, कार्यालय सभी बंद है। कौन क्या है इससे फर्क नहीं, सब आज घर में बंद है। एक वह योद्धा थे जिन्होंने देश को आज़ादी दिलाई। आज वह योद्धा है जो कोरोना से हमें मुक्ति दिला रहे हैं। इन कोरोना योद्धाओं से ही जीतेंगे कोरोना की ये भीषण जंग। इन कोरोना योद्धाओं को हम दिल से करते हैं नमन। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
This day honors all the humanitarians who have worked in the promotion of humanitarian cause and those who have lost their life in the cause of duty.
Today we are celebrating 74th years of independence. This year we have independence with new responsibilities and new discipline. So enjoy your freedom with more of responsibility and more of discipline. Happy Independence Day.
Before 73 years, on this auspicious day, with the efforts of our freedom fighters, we got our independence. This year, by the efforts of our Corona warriors, India will be free from this pandemic, that is COVID-19 or Corona virus.
Wish you very happy Independence Day to all of you. Stay healthy, stay safe. Appreciate the work done by the Corona warriors. Remember, vive la India.
હેબ્રોન દ્વારા એ મેસેજ આપવા માગું છું 15મી ઓગસ્ટ જે રીતે આપણને આઝાદી મળી એવી જ રીતે કોરોનામાંથી પણ આઝાદી મળે એવી શુભેચ્છા. જય હિન્દ.
Freedom came to us as a gift of our ancestor. Let's respect and value this precious present so that we may never lose it. And our life is full of colors. I hope this 15th August will add more colors to your life. So be responsible, take extra care, especially in this pandemic situation. Happy 74th Independence Day to all.
This 74th Independence Day, we are fighting a new war. So let's join hands with our Corona warriors and make our nation a safe place to live in by wearing masks, using sanitizer and maintaining social distancing.
भारत मेरा है बदल रहा, जैसा कल था वैसा होगा नहीं। खौफ से भरा है इंसान हर कोई, सपने बिखरे हैं जहाँ कहीं। है ये मेरी दुआ, सलामत रखना भारत को, है खुदा है मेरी दुआ। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
नमस्कार, आप सभी लोगों को मेरी तरफ से स्वातंत्र्य दिन की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। इस कोरोना महामारी से बचने के लिए सावधान रहे, सतर्क रहे और एक दूसरे से दूरी बनाए रखें। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Happy 74th Independence Day to one and all. On this Independence Day, I would specially thank all the frontline workers for rendering their services to the nation.
मुश्किल है राहें और कठिन है सफ़र, पर समय के साथ सब कुछ बदल जाएगा। ये दौर भी गुजर जाएगा। मुस्कुराएगा बचपन और खिलखिलाएगा यौवन। जब सब कुछ सामान्य हो जाएगा, फिर से वो दौर आएगा। सभी को मेरी तरफ से 74वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं।
कोमल हृदय के किसी कोने में छिपे हुए विचार प्रस्तुत करके प्रसन्न है यह हेब्रोन परिवार। आप घर पे सलामत रहे, यही है दुआ हमारी। आप घर पे सलामत रहे, यही है दुआ हमारी। हमारे सबकी कोशिशों से जल्द ही जाएगी ये महामारी। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे टू ऑल।
Let's treasure our precious freedom by saluting India, where each bird blooms in its true color, where each day is a celebration of unity, harmony, and synthesis.
I salute all Corona warriors in this special occasion. To protect yourself and others from spreading of coronavirus, wear mask, use sanitizer, keep social distancing. I wish you all happiest and peaceful 74th Independence Day.
नमस्कार। आज हम 74वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने जा रहे हैं। 74 साल पहले हमारा देश आज़ाद हुआ था, हमें आज़ादी मिली थी। इस आज़ादी के लिए कई लोगों ने आंदोलन किए, कईयों ने हिंसा का मार्ग अपनाया तो कईयों ने अहिंसा का मार्ग अपनाया। हम जानते हैं कि हमारे राष्ट्रपिता श्री महात्मा गांधी जी ने हमें अहिंसा के मार्ग द्वारा देश को आज़ादी मिलाई। तो आज फिर से हम आज़ादी मांग रहे हैं, और ये आज़ादी है कोरोना से। कोरोना जैसी महामारी से बचने के लिए हमें भी एक आंदोलन करना है। वो आंदोलन कि हमें आत्मनिर्भर बनना होगा और सरकार द्वारा दिए गए कायदा कानून नियमों को पालन करना होगा, जिससे हमारा देश स्वतंत्र तो आज़ादी मिले उन्हें भी इस महामारी से। हम सब हमारे जो वॉरियर है, हमारे योद्धा जो हमारे देश के लिए लड़ रहे हैं, उन्हें सैल्यूट करते हैं। और उसके बाद अंत में मैं ये आपको कहना चाहती हूँ कि हम फिर से जीतेंगे और खुशियों के साथ सब मिलजुल कर ये पर्व को, हर एक पर्व को अच्छे से मनाएंगे। एक दो लाइन आपके सामने गुनगुनाना चाहती हूँ। जिंदगी हर कदम एक नई जंग है, जीत जाएंगे हम, जीत जाएंगे हम मगर संग हैं। जिंदगी हर कदम એક નઈ જંગ હૈ।
વિશ્વ કોરોનાને જરૂર માત આપશે અને તેની સામેની જંગ જીતશે। આપણે ફક્ત મજબૂત બનવાનું છે અને સાવચેત રહેવાનું છે। कांटों में भी फूल खिलाए, इस धरती को स्वर्ग बनाए। आओ हम कोरोना भगाए, हम स्वतंत्रता का पर्व मनाए। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
A very happy Independence Day greetings to you all. Are we really happy today? Drawing attention to the cry of the child here. Why? For what is the child is crying? It is the cry of humanity, watching to be freed, waiting to be freed from the pandemic. Our freedom struggle, led by the soldiers, paid off well, giving us freedom from Britishers. The same struggle of COVID warriors, led by doctors, nurses, and policemen in the front line, will lead us to freedom from the pandemic. Let us all, the responsible citizens, abiding on the instructions given by the government, together we can overcome. Stay safe, stay healthy.
On this occasion of 74th Independence Day, I like to congratulate you all, and I like to add one more thing. Thousands laid down their lives so that our country is breathing. And this day will never forget their sacrifice. Now it's our turn to save our country against this situation of COVID-19. So please keep fighting, never give up. Whatever the situation is going on, keep fighting, stay safe, stay healthy.
My India, my pride. We are the land of free. We are the home of brave. Let's pay tribute to our COVID-19 warriors and soldiers on this happy 74th Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day. The true independence is when the mind is without fear, heart is full of love, acts are full of compassion, where the different and the differences are accepted and respected. When this prevails in our society, we will be truly independent.
Our nation will be strong if there will be a power of unity by removing caste distinction and respecting all religion. God has made the most beautiful creation on the earth, and that is a woman. I would like to give a message: save girls and respect women, because she plays a role of grandmother, mother, sister and wife. And so it is said, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Our today's generation can achieve success if they become well-disciplined, honest, hardworking, confident, skillful and patient. I wish everybody a happy 74th Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Independence Day is an occasion to celebrate and to remember the struggles of all those who fought to give us this priceless gift of freedom. On the 74th Independence Day, let's prove that we are united and collectively put our best efforts to beat any viruses that are endangering our lives and livelihoods. Happy 74th Independence Day to each one of you. Jai Hind.
This Independence Day 2020, let us honor the struggle of many brave hearts who fought for the country's freedom and presently Corona warriors in the difficult time of COVID-19 pandemic. Happy Independence Day to all.
As the global crisis of pandemic lingers on, the world needs a huge positive energy to fight against negative forces, and hope can be the most powerful force, especially in these difficult times. It can be also a powerful source of reassurance. On this Independence Day, don't let the pandemic dampen your spirit of patriotism as we celebrate our 74th Independence Day together. Wishing you a happy Independence Day 2020.
There is no such thing as defeat. In the current COVID pandemic, your soul receives the highest nourishment by sowing the seeds of love and positivity. The worst time can be the best if you think positively. A flower doesn't try to compete with others in the garden, it just blooms. So bloom and be the reason for someone to smile on the 74th Independence Day.
The land I belong to, the land I will die for, the land which defines my identity. This is my country, my India. So let's all stand united and fight this pandemic. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. Let's salute our nation on Independence Day. Happy Independence Day to everyone. Jai Hind.
Let us be the warrior, not the bearer. So stay alert, be safe. We all together will beat against the coronavirus.
On this auspicious day of 15th August, I wish all a happy Independence Day. This year, we have to fight a battle against coronavirus and save our India from this virus. So, safe India, safe Indians.
This Independence Day, we are celebrating in a pandemic situation. So let's all have a hope that everything is going to be alright, a hope that tomorrow will come, a hope that we shall overcome this pandemic situation. And when you feel that hope is gone, look inside you and be strong. A real hero lies in you. Stay alert, stay safe. Happy Independence Day.
Today, 15th August, we are celebrating 74th Independence Day. In this pandemic situation, we take a pledge to save our country. I urge you to maintain social distancing and wear masks. We will win the fight against COVID-19. Salute to COVID-19 warriors. Jai Hind.
Wish you all a happy Independence Day. This year, we all are fighting the coronavirus disease, which has brought grief to some, financial difficulties and changes in our life. Protect yourself from this virus by staying at home. Thank you. Be safe.
Wish you all a happy 74th Independence Day. It's an auspicious day and we should be proud to be an Indian. I salute to all the COVID-19 warriors, doctors and the soldiers who fought in this pandemic situation.
National independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947, India became independent after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. So just like our freedom fighters, in present situation, doctor, policemen, sanitation workers are fighting against COVID-19. Let's not forget the sacrifices made by this coronavirus. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
जहाँ डाल डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा। Happy Independence Day.
No handshake, only namaste, with the hands folding gesture for greeting Independence Day. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Independence Day.
Happy 74th Independence Day. Let us all pledge today to do our best for our country and make the best country of the world. I feel proud to be an Indian.
Let's take a pledge to fight against this pandemic situation on this 74th Independence Day by maintaining social distance, practice good hand hygiene, avoid touching face, avoid fake news and rumors. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.
कभी सोचा न था चौक डस्टर छोड़कर ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी, उन मुस्कुराते बच्चों से इतना दूर हो जाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी। रोज़ लेती हूँ लाइव क्लास, लेकिन मज़ा नहीं आता पढ़ाने में, ना ही मिलती है संतुष्टि। जिस फ़ोन से दूर रहने की करती थी अक्सर बात, उसी के पास रहने को समझाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी। लॉकडाउन में ढील होती है, कभी कभी जाने लगी हूँ स्कूल, लेकिन वह स्कूल नहीं, सिर्फ इमारत है बिना बच्चों के। सूनी बेंचें, खाली मैदान, सुनसान आंगन, कॉरिडोर वीरान। इस हालत में भी कभी स्कूल आऊंगी और मास्क लगाकर पढ़ाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी। जिज्ञासु बच्चे आज भी प्रश्न पूछते हैं, लेकिन जिनसे मैं पूछती हूँ वे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम कह क्लास छोड़ देते हैं। बिना उन्हें डांटे अपने आप को ही समझाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी। सिर में रहता है अक्सर दर्द धीमा धीमा, मन भी विचलित है। कभी वीडियो बनाती हूँ, कभी गूगल टेस्ट बनाती हूँ, फिर भी लगता है शिक्षण अधूरा। अपने आप को इतना विवश पाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी। उन मुस्कुराते बच्चों से इतना दूर हो जाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी। कभी सोचा न था ऑनलाइन पढ़ाऊंगी।